Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year economic question. Okay, so this session is mainly aimed towards how to crack the upcoming prelims. Okay, how to approach the upcoming prelims in more easier way. Okay, how to find the key within the question. Okay, how to eliminate the statement. Okay, how to go for an answer. Okay, all these things will be discussed here. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, consider the following statement in terms of short-term credit delivery to the agriculture sector. District central cooperative banks deliver more credits in comparison to the scheduled commercial banks and the regional rural banks. Okay, see, for this statement, with the basic idea of the scheduled commercial banks and the district central cooperative banks is more than enough. Okay, see, this thing is actually they asked because there is a certain report related to that. Okay, released in 2020. Okay, so only they asked this question. Okay, but without knowing that report, okay, without knowing any report, okay, data, you can easily answer this question. Okay, by how? Okay, that thing is we are going to discuss. Consider that scheduled commercial banks. Okay, there are a lot of scheduled commercial bank, SBI, okay, Indian Bank, okay, Indian Overseas Bank, okay, so PNB, okay, so there are n number of scheduled commercial banks, okay, and in comparison with district central cooperative bank, okay, see, in one district, okay, there will be SBI, IB, IOB, PNB. Okay. In the same district, there will be only one district central cooperative banks. Okay. So consider that whether all these banks are lending, okay, to the agriculture sector. Okay. Whether this thing is higher, just compare. Okay. When comparing, the lending by all these banks is way more greater than this district central cooperative banks. Okay, because they have the large potential also. Okay, because they have the currency. Okay, and also they have the norms to follow, priority sector lending. Okay, so they have to lend certain money to the agriculture sector. It's around 18%. Okay, so in such a way, there are this much of list of banks within one district. Okay, so consider that the SBI will have 2 to 3 branches in that single district. Okay, based on the potential of the population. Okay, based on the population density, they may have 3 to 4 branches within that district itself. Okay, in such a scenario, the lending activities done by all these banks towards the agriculture sector is way more greater than this single district central cooperative bank. Okay, so such a way you have to think. Okay, so by that the statement is saying that the district central cooperative banks deliver more credits compared to the scheduled commercial bank. Okay, but in reality it is not like that. Okay, these banks have the larger potential to deliver the lot more credits to the agriculture sector. Okay, and they are also having the norms to follow. So by that you can easily eliminate the statement 1 without knowing the report, without knowing the data. You can eliminate the first statement. Okay, so these are the things you have to think in that exam hall. Okay, if you don't know about the report or a data, you can easily answer it. Okay, such a way they will frame the questions. Okay, such a way the UPSC panel will frame the questions. Okay, so the main thing is about your attitude towards the question. It is not about the aptitude towards your question. Okay, so that is they are actually trying to play with your psychology, play with your emotions. Okay, so don't fall into the trap. Okay, so by that you can eliminate the first statement. Second statement, one of the most important function of the DCCB is to provide the fund to the primary agriculture credit society. Yes. Okay, so this thing is correct. Okay, this is the basic thing you have to read. Okay, so by that the second statement is right, the first statement is wrong. Okay, so such a way you have to follow. Okay, such a way you have to think. Okay, even though you don't know anything about that data, Okay, you can easily answer these kinds of questions. Okay, thank you.